You will love the features of this 2024 Ford Bronco. Here's a highly versatile Bronco that offers the best of contemporary comfort, connectivity, and driving manners, along with serious off-road chops. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin makes navigating any landscape a delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, sunroof, power passenger seat. Go big and bold in this trail-hungry Bronco. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.